If you're a complete beginner who dreams of making your first $10,000 online, then this video is for you. Most businesses demand money, experience, or years of trial and error. But what if you could bypass all that? Over the past 9 years, I've been earning money online. Now, I'm here to share the 10 best online businesses for 2025 that you can start with little to no money and possibly make $50,000 a month. Number 1, Fast Cash. FastCash.gg pays you for simple tasks like watching YouTube videos and searching Google. It's free, global, and offers nearly instant payouts. Start earning your first $1,000 today. Number 2, AI Thumbnail Creator. Use AI tools to create YouTube thumbnails, upload your service to Fiverr, and you could earn $50 per design, just like this freelancer who's made over $500,000. Number 3, Prompts Creator. Prom Hackers lets you create and sell ChatGPT prompts. With platforms like PromptBase, this can turn into a lucrative gig in no time. Number 4, Faceless YouTube Automation. Faceless YouTube Automation is one of the fastest growing online businesses. Create videos, earn ad revenue, and drive traffic to other businesses. Number 5, MemeCam. Create memes effortlessly and grow accounts to sell for hundreds of dollars on platforms like Social Tradia. Number 6, Sell Digital Products. VOP is a hidden gem for selling digital products. Start with a free account and begin earning almost immediately. Number 7, AI Tool Reviewer. Teach others how to use AI tools, earn from ad revenue and affiliate commissions. Stay ahead in the AI revolution. Number 8, StoryShort for viral videos. Platforms like StoryShort let you create viral videos in minutes, post them to YouTube, and rake in ad revenue. Number 9, Freelance Writing. Freelance writing is evergreen. Even in 2025, businesses need content writers for their blogs and campaigns. Number 10, E-commerce without inventory. With dropshipping, you can sell products without stocking inventory. Tools like Shopify make it easier than ever. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Which of these 10 businesses will you start today? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to achieve your financial freedom. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Share this video with someone who needs this right now.